How to add Instagram feed to Shopify. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through if you want to add your Instagram feed to your Shopify. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Add Apps and you're going to go to Shopify App Store. Now, once we do this, it is going to be bringing you here where it's going to give you all these things. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this app over here called InstaFeed. If it doesn't show for you, you can simply search it up as well. So once you do that, you're going to install this application. Okay, it's built specifically for Shopify. It's an inbuilt Shopify app. So I'm going to go ahead with that. And once you go with that, it's going to bring you here where it's going to ask you to install the application. Now, once we go ahead with the installing of applications, we're simply going to wait for it to load in. And once it loads in, we are going to come to this section over here where it's going to give us InstaFeed in our apps, right? So over here, first of all, you're going to connect with your Instagram, okay? So we're just going to go ahead and authorize everything with our Instagram properly. Obviously, make sure to go ahead and allow things. So to allow it, you're simply going to come here and click on allow. And once you click on allow, it will load you back into your Shopify. And once you are into your Shopify, from there, you can simply go ahead and add things in to your InstaFeed. So from here, just go ahead. As you can see, this is your feed. You can give in your title, add in when it pops up, etc. And once you're done with all of this, you're simply going to click on Save Feed, and there we go. So now this feed is added to your theme. So just add InstaFeed to your theme homepage, and that will add your Instagram feed to your Shopify. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.